Multiply or expanding algebraic brackets. When we are multiplying algebra together, it is often called expanding. In this example, we're going to expand and then look to try and simplify these two brackets. X minus 2 is back to back with x plus 2. There are no signs in between, so that means that they must be multiplied together. If these two things are multiplied together, that means we must be able to draw ourselves a rectangle. One side of the rectangle will be x minus 2, and the other side of the rectangle will be x plus 2. The rectangle can be broken down. Here is our rectangle that we're going to find out the area of, but we're going to break it down into 4 parts and work them out separately, and then find out what they come up to in the end. In this part here, we have x times x, this is multiplied together, which makes x squared. In this box, we have x times minus 2, which makes minus 2 times x, or minus 2x. In this box, we have plus 2 times x, which makes plus 2x. And in this part, we have minus 2 times plus 2. And a minus times a positive makes a minus, so the answer is minus 4. Now we can add together all the parts to find out the total area of this whole rectangle. We have x squared, we have a minus 2x, a plus 2x, and a minus 4. The last thing we need to do is to look to try and simplify our answer. Minus 2x plus 2x, if you minus 2 and then you plus 2, that will give an overall effect of having 0x. If we have 0 of something, it doesn't need to be written. So our final simplification would be x squared minus 4. This type of quadratic expression is called the difference of two squares. And if we have a look at the actual values of the numbers, the difference is a subtraction sign, x is squared, and minus 4, if 4 is squared, that would be 2 squared. So sometimes our quadratic expressions, the two middle numbers, the minus 2x plus the 2x, cancel out so that we don't have that term, we only have two terms, and it is called the difference of two squares. So this is an example of a quadratic expression, which is the difference of two squares.